Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where your TikTok videos are stuck at either 0 views, 0 comments, 0 likes, or a combination of all those things. Now, the reason why that may be happening is first of all, you want to make sure you even get likes or anything on your videos. As you can see right here, I have 0 comments because nobody watches my TikToks. So, because of that, if nobody watches your TikToks too, if you're in the same situation, well, you may just want to go ahead and make sure that, if it's your videos, then if they're getting views, then that's completely different. But if your videos are not getting any views, it may be because maybe nobody's watching them or they haven't been published yet. So that's another thing. As you can see right here, this video is at 0 views and 0 everything. I would expect at least 1 view on this thing, which is myself. So if that ends up being the case, it may just be publishing or it may just be scheduled. So you may want to make sure your videos are not, stuck on scheduling. However, if it's not even your account, if it's within your homepage and your, For You page, and you're scrolling through and all those videos are stuck at 0 likes or 0 views, the first thing I would recommend doing is just hopping out of TikTok, going inside of your App Store or Google Play Store, just like so, and all you want to do is go ahead and update the TikTok application. So go and find TikTok wherever it is, open it up, and go and update that app. A majority of that time, the reason why that may be happening is because you're on a very outdated version of TikTok. So just update TikTok, and that may end up fixing the situation as well. Now, if that doesn't end up fixing it, you may just also want to make sure TikTok isn't down. So what you can do here is you can go to a website like downdetector.com. This is the website I normally go to. You can go to any other one you want to. And what you want to do is make sure TikTok isn't on this specific page, at least like the first two. If TikTok has an issue, it's usually number one because so many people use it. But if TikTok is like down here, we'll probably run into it. Well, then it's definitely not down and there's probably something else going on. You may be one of the first people to find TikTok being down. You can see it's not even on this page. So chances are TikTok's not down. You just pretty much have to kind of address the situation a different way. Now, another thing what may be happening is maybe TikTok isn't having an issue, but maybe it's just going through some glitches and stuff. So if that ends up happening, what I would recommend doing is just waiting it out, closing out of TikTok, and you can go back into it and try again. You can also try rebooting your phone. You can try updating your phone too, but most of the time you're just going to have to wait, and then the likes and everything will be repopulated after a little bit of time. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.